2023 Volvo S60. We are getting the message, time for regular maintenance. Let's go ahead and reset that. I have the car running right now. I'm gonna turn it off. What you're gonna do now is this is gonna be a time sequence to get this thing to reset for good. You're gonna press and hold down the minus button here, foot off your brake, engine start stop. You're gonna flick this switch 3 times. The cluster is gonna tell you to put your foot on the brake and start it. You're gonna continue to hold this minus sign until you see this I symbol that's gonna pop up like right around here, start to blink. As soon as it does, you take your hand off the minus sign, okay? It's a little tricky. I will have to put the phone down to do all of this for, you know, little intervals or whatever. But here we go. Are you ready? Hold down minus, foot off the brake, engine start stop. 1, 2, 3. Now it's telling me to put my foot on the brake pedal. Foot on the brake pedal, start it up. Okay, so the car is running, waiting for this I symbol up here to start blinking. Alright, so it started blinking. Sorry, I had to put my phone down for a minute, and it tells me that the maintenance was reset. It was really quick, really fast. I'm sorry if you didn't get it, but that is it.